Let's see how to manage Hostinger email SMTP settings. So first of all, we need to log into our Hostinger H panel. Here on the H panel, you will see the emails option. Just select it. Now here you will see the domain names along with emails. So we are going to click on manage from here. After that, we are going to scroll down to mailboxes and then click on view all. So these are the emails that we have created on Hostinger email. Now to view the SMTP settings for our emails, from the left menu we are going to select connect apps and devices. And here we will see the email SMTP options, outgoing server SMTP. And this is our host name smtp.hostinger.com, and for the ports it's 465, and we will select SSL/TLS whenever we are using our Hostinger email. Here we also have our POP settings for incoming server, and we also have IMAP settings for incoming server. So you can use these SMTP settings to connect your Hostinger email to any platform like Gmail, Outlook, etc. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.